no rule book to adulthood, because where's the excitement in that? So I chose to be a mosaic of every traveler I've met, every plate I've tasted, every train I've ridden, and every moment that made me feel truly alive. Oh, this is crazy. They call me Sojourner, a social worker turned traveler, often solo, sometimes not, a soul who moves but always finds her way. And there is no rule book to adulthood, because the world is too beautiful to be defined by shouldas, couldas, and wouldas. The Japans of the world, the Perus, the Mexicos, the Kenyas, they all have something to say. So this is your reminder to make your own map, to carve your own lane, to never lose your sense of wonder, and to let the world shape you, because you are destined to break the rules that you were never meant to follow.